First of all, nobody should call themselves a professional if they knew only one language. And 5 is a good number for languages to know reasonably well. And then you'll know a bunch just because you're interested, because you've read about them, because you wrote a couple of little programs for experimentation. But 5 isn't a bad number. Somewhere between 3 and 7. Let's see. Sort of my list is going to be sort of uninteresting because it's going to be the list of languages that are best known and useful, I'm afraid. Let's see. C++, of course. Java. Maybe Python for mainline work, and if you know those, you can't help know sort of a little bit about Ruby and JavaScript. You can't help knowing C, because that's the fills out the domain, and of course C#. But again, these languages create a cluster so that if you knew either 5 of the ones I said, you would actually know the others. I haven't cheated with the numbers. I rounded out a design space. It would be nice beyond that to know something quite weird outside it, just to have an experience. Pick one of the functional languages, for instance. That's good to keep your head spinning a bit when it needs to. I don't have any favorites in that field. There's enough of them. And I don't know, if you're interested in high performance numerical computation, you have to look at one of the languages there, but for most people that's just esoteric.